We just uploaded our GL details from an Excel file, and we need to clean it up before we can do any sort of data analysis with it. So let's do it together. We're going to be using our clean and reformat tool to streamline our cleanup process. So we're going to go to clean and reformat. And this is the manipulator. We have our collections list, our command list, our pipeline, and our collections preview. Now I'm going to start cleaning up this data a bit to get it to look how I want. And I want you to notice something, that our pipeline is starting to save each action that we're doing, which means once you have a saved pipeline, any new data that you bring in can be run through these same commands. And I'll show you what I mean by that. We're going to go ahead and delete this collection and bring back up the raw data. And then we'll select one of our saved pipelines. And you can see it running through each command of that pipeline. And now we can save this collection. And our data is cleaned.